In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Authenticator app from two-step verification in your GoDaddy account settings. To get started, sign into your GoDaddy account and make sure you're fully logged in before moving ahead. Once you're in, go to your account settings area and open the section labeled Login and PIN. This is where GoDaddy keeps your main sign-in and security options, including two-step verification settings. When you arrive on the Login and PIN page, take a moment to look through the available security options until you find the two-step verification section. This area controls the extra methods used to protect your account when signing in. If you currently have an Authenticator app connected, it should appear here as one of your active verification methods. Next, find the Authenticator app entry and click the option that says Edit or Remove next to it. Depending on how the page is displayed, you may see one of those labels directly, or you may need to open the setting before choosing the removal option. This step is important because it takes you into the management screen for that specific verification method. After that, confirm that you want to remove the Authenticator app. GoDaddy may ask you to verify the action before it completes the change, so read the prompt carefully and follow the confirmation process on screen. Once you approve the removal, the Authenticator app will no longer be used as part of your two-step verification for that account. As you do this, it's a good idea to double-check whether you still have another security method enabled, especially if you rely on two-step verification to keep your account protected. Removing an Authenticator method can affect how you sign in later, so make sure you understand what security options will remain active after the change. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a few seconds and refresh if needed to confirm that the Authenticator app no longer appears in the two-step verification list. That's the clearest sign that the removal was successful. And that's it. You've now removed the Authenticator app from your GoDaddy account's two-step verification settings through the Login and PIN section. If you're following along, just make sure the change is saved and reflected on the page before you sign out.